Hi guys, it's me, Karen K. So I'm sure you've heard or read or been part of the discussion in regards with Elias and his band's visa situation and also the confusion dun sa visa ng talent manager. Let's clear things up. So Elias and his band may approved P1 visa sila, which means yung visa application nila is successful. P1 visa is for internationally recognized entertainers, which is yun yung tamang visa para kina Elias since they are going to perform in the US sa isang concert. Now, yung visa nila approved but most likely baka hindi pa nila na-receive yan physically because most likely nasa stage na nasa visa stamping yung passport nila and or hindi pa na-deliver ng courier yung visa nila. As for the talent manager, most likely yung visa niya is P1S, which is for the support personnel. Kasi hindi naman siya magpa-perform sa stage. Most likely mag-a-assist lang siya. With her application, kailangan i-prove na importante yung kanyang role sa performance ng banda. So bakit hindi pa na-approve ang sa managers na visa? Maraming reasons kung bakit nade-delay yung approval or parang need pa ng further documents. It could be because the embassy needs more evidence or more supporting documents like probably financial documents or a letter from the concert producers. This is common for support personnel ha. It's part of the process because secondary lang yung role nila dun sa event. Not like dun sa banda at ni Elias, they are essential dun sa event kasi yung concert kanila yun dun sa US. So here's the thing, because yung visa ni Elias at ng banda ano na siya, approved na yung visa nila. Hindi siya nakatay dun sa visa ng manager. Yun yung klaro ha. Magkaiba kasi yung application nun. Magkaiba yung visa. Yung visa ni na Elias is P1 visa. That is for the performers na they can legally perform dun sa US. Dun sa manager naman, it's a P1S visa. That is for the support personnel. Most likely tingin ko na-approve yung visa nila Elias is that it's because their visa is sponsored by the concert producer, which is ang alam ko it's part of the requirements doon, no, or it helped na ma-approve yung visa nila. And also they are crucial and very important for the event, for the concert. But for the manager, independent or separate yung application nun. So, pinaprocess yun siya separately, hindi siya sabay dun sa banda. So, sa mga tao, kung may mga tao pang nako-confuse sa visa situation ni Elias and ng banda with the talent manager, Elias and his band are good to go to the US to perform. So, wala nang agam-agam doon. They can perform there. They can leave and go to the US to perform. As for the manager, baka matatagalan pa not until satisfied yung embassy dun sa mga documents or sa mga requirements na i-require nila for her na ma-approve yung visa nila. Kasi nga, yung pag-process ng visa ni na Elias is separate from the visa process nung sa manager nila. And also, iklaro ko, hindi makaka-apekto yung if ever ma-deny man or hindi mag-grant ng visa yung manager nila, it doesn't affect dun sa visa ni na Elias. That is because, again, they are performers, they are crucial or important sa event. While si talent manager, support personnel lang siya. she will be not be performing sa stage. Not unless ma-prove niya na needed talaga yung presence niya dun sa performance ni na Elias. So, I hope this help na ma-clear yung mga confusion natin, no? Because also me, when I first heard this issue, napa-research din agad ako. That is because I've learned na ang US ay may bagong guidelines and rules sa pag-process ng visa, kung mag-apply ka ng visa sa US. So, I've checked especially dun sa mga Philippine passport holders. Lalo na ako, although ako, may US visa na ako which is valid for 10 years. I have also Shenzhen, pero yung Shenzhen ko is residency, that is because of my partner. And I have experience in processing ng visa, no? Ilang countries na din yung na-visit ko. And pag-process talaga ng visa, it's like a journey. And kailangan mo ng maraming patience and maraming oras. Because talagang medyo matatagalan siya, and basta lang ma-comply mo lahat yung requirements or yung kailangan ng embassy or nung government ng country na ina-applyan mo, na-comply mo lang lahat yun, there will be no problem. So, yun siya. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this, if nagustuhan niyo yung video, please don't forget to like and share this. It's better na ma-share nyo ng mas marami pang malinawagan at hindi na ma-confuse dun sa situation ni Elias at Elias at ng banda, and then dun sa manager nila in regards to their visa. And also, don't forget to follow me, Karen K, and always remember, be kind, be you always.